Form N-400 is the application for naturalization, the official path to becoming a U.S. citizen. It's a long form, so today we'll cover how to get started, your eligibility basis, and your basic identifying information. At the top right of page 1, enter your alien registration number, your A number, 9 digits. You'll find it on your permanent resident card. The number here is for illustration only. Part 2 is about you, the applicant. Enter your family name, your given name, and your middle name, exactly as they appear on your green card and immigration documents. From there, the form covers your address history, time spent outside the U.S., marital history, and a long set of background questions before you sign. Click Done to download. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.